Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your African bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring the search bar and type in African bank login and hit the search. Now over here guys, you can see the official link of African bank. Now just click on that first link. It might take a while to loading, wait for it. Now guys, you'll be taken to the official website of African Bank. Now at the right side of your screen, you can see the login form. Now guys, over here you just need to enter your username. Similarly, you just need to enter your PIN number. And similarly, you need to enter your password over here. And once you click on login button, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your login ID or password, just click on forgot login details. Then you can easily reset your password or username. If you don't have any account of African Bank, just click on that register button to create a new account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit that bell icon for the latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.